how to insert $sign in your Excel formula or Excel sheet. Hello everyone, and let's get started. So if you want to insert this $sign, here is the way to it. You can either select one specific cell or select the whole table. For that, you just have to select all and then you have to right click. From the list, select on Format Cells and then on the categories, select on Currency. From the box, you have to select the dollar symbol and then you can select on OK. And just by that, you will notice that it has inserted the dollar on your box. But instead of dollar symbol, if you want to insert dollar written, then you have to follow the same process. Right click on it, go to the Format Cells and this time select the custom in the categories. Now in the type section, you will have to type in double quotation and then write in dollar, then give a space and then close the quotation, and after that you have to type in double hashtag dot double hashtag and click on OK. And you will notice that it will insert it on the cell as well. So that's all for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.